Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a WeatherGuard literature holder. This is a van accessory. Let's get into it. All right, this is part number 9880-3-01. It is a literature holder that you can mount to your shelving or your bulkhead in your van for holding your literature, whatever you need to use on the road. You need a little rack to hold that equipment. Nice little accessory here. And this is one of the accessories that is not kind of in their red series of accessories. This is in the Brite White finish, so it's going to match the color of your partition or your shelving. But it is fully assembled here. It looks like this is going to be super easy to install. Speaking of installation, we do have a full install guide right here for how to attach this to your shelving end panel or wherever you're going to mount it in the van. So all the hardware you're going to need, tools you're going to need, everything right here included in the box. And then we also have just a little bag of hardware here. It looks like 4 bolts, and some lock nuts and washers, and you're going to be good to go. You have a little dealio right here where you can just slide this over top of your bolts and it hangs in place. We do have a few slots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a little area down here to hold it. If you're curious on the dimensions of this, this is 13 inches wide and 15 inches tall and 4 and 5/8 inches deep. These little literature holders here give you about 1.25 inches opening right there, and they go down about 6.5 inches. So fully assembled, ready to go. Just need to bolt it into the van, so pretty simple product to install. So if you're looking for this literature holder or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, we've got what you need at UpfitSupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.